Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can lock Netflix. So if you want to lock Netflix, for example, you want to put a password on Netflix, in order for a person to access it, they must input a password. Right now it's not locked, so all you have to do is go to settings and you scroll down to system, and when you get to system, you're going to go to parental control. So we use parental control to lock different apps or to set a pin to different apps, and this works on your smart TV, your Hisense Vidaa Smart TV, or your Android TV. And you're going to set on the lock function, then you go to app lock, and on app lock you're going to select it and search for the app that you want to lock. For example, currently I want to lock Netflix, and I'm going to look for it and I lock it. As you see, it shows it's locked. Netflix and YouTube, they are both locked at the moment. And if I go back and I try to open Netflix or even YouTube, they are going to be locked. They will require my password in order for them to open. As you see, Netflix is locked. It shows it's locked. And if I try to open it, it's going to ask for a password. And the password, you know the password that you're going to set. Make sure you remember it, because you will be inputting that password in order to access Netflix or to access any app that you have locked. But specifically here I'm mentioning Netflix. So here, if I input my password, it's going to open. For example, if I input my password that I set earlier, the app is going to open and I'll be able to access Netflix. For example, here the password is 6666, and you see Netflix is able to open and I'm able to access it. So that's how you lock your Netflix. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.